Hello and welcome everyone. We are start this course under J-Hint Micro Learning Programming and you're watching our channel, your go-to resource for understanding the world of business. Today, we're kicking off a brand new series with a foundational topic, Introduction to Marketing. Whether you're a student, a budding entrepreneur, or a professional looking to brush up on your skills, this series is for you. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. So, let's look at our first slide. This is Unit 1, Understanding Marketing Management. The course itself is designed for a wide range of people. We're talking about BBA and MBA students, entrepreneurs who are building the startups from the ground up, and even existing marketing managers. Essentially, if you deal with customers in any capacity, understanding marketing is crucial for your success. This course will lay the groundwork for all of those roles. This slide gives us a roadmap for the entire unit. As you can see, we'll be covering a lot of ground. From the basic definition of marketing and its core concepts to the 4 Ps and 7 Ps, and even modern approaches like green marketing, guerrilla marketing, and emotional marketing. We won't cover all of this today, but it shows you just how deep and dynamic the field of marketing truly is. It's a field that is constantly evolving. Unit 1, Understanding Marketing Management, Definition of Marketing, Defining Marketing for the New Realities, Functions of Marketing, Core Marketing Concepts, Evolution of Marketing, Differences between Selling and Marketing, Developing Marketing Strategies and Plans, Creating Long Term Loyalty Relationships, Marketing Mix, Product Marketing Mix, Service Marketing Mix, the 4 Ps and 7 Ps of marketing. Role of marketing in modern business: green marketing, holistic marketing, cause marketing, guerrilla marketing, emotional marketing. Those are topics of the lesson we cover today, class. Introduction to Marketing Management. Definition of marketing. Nature of marketing. Scope and objectives of marketing in business. Importance of marketing. Today's lecture will focus on these 5 key areas. We'll start with an introduction to marketing management, get a clear definition of marketing, understand its fundamental nature, explore its scope and objectives, and finally, touch upon the importance of marketing in today's business landscape. This is the essential foundation we need before we can dive into more complex strategies. 1.1 Introduction to Marketing. All right, let's dig into our first main topic. What is marketing? 1. Marketing. Marketing is the process of creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. The scope and importance of marketing extends to every stage of a business, from determining customer needs to promoting selling. 2. Marketing objectives revolve around satisfying customer needs, building strong relationships, and ensuring profitability and growth for the organization. 3. Marketing can be classified into many types. 1. Based on approach, traditional and digital marketing. 2. Based on strategy, inbound and outbound marketing. 3. Based on audience, B2, B marketing, B2C marketing, C2C marketing, C2B marketing. 4. Based on goals, direct marketing, relationship marketing, brand marketing, green marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, advertise marketing, content marketing. Let's get into explanation. When we talk about marketing, we're not just talking about selling a product, we're talking about a complete process. Marketing is about creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that carry value. Let's break that down. Creating means identifying a real need and designing a solution. Spotify didn't just create a music app, they created an answer to the need for convenient, affordable access to millions of songs. Communicating is how that solution is shared through ads, collaborations, or playlists. Delivering is making it available anytime on your phone or laptop. And exchange is the value swap, your subscription fee for Spotify's service. This cycle benefits both customer and company. Now, objectives of marketing revolve around three pillars: satisfying needs, building relationships, and ensuring profitability. Amazon is a great example. It satisfies needs with fast delivery, builds relationships through personalization and Prime, and achieves enormous profitability as a result. Finally, marketing can be classified in different ways. Based on approach, we have traditional versus digital. Based on strategy, it's inbound versus outbound. By based on audience, Boeing marketing a new plane to an airline is B2B, business to business, while Nike selling you a shoe is B2C, business to consumer. And by goals, it ranges from building brand identity like Apple to modern influencer marketing on TikTok and promotes a product. 4. Marketing is a key function of management that deals with customers and the delivery of customer satisfaction at a profit. 5. It is the process of planning, executing pricing, promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, and services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational goals. 6. The heart of modern marketing practice is creating value for customers and building strong customer relationships. Let's get into explanation. Marketing is best understood as a process planning, executing, pricing, promotion, and distribution. Imagine launching a new smartphone. Planning starts with market research on features customers want. Executing is building ad campaigns and social buzz. Pricing decides if it's positioned as premium or budget. Promotion is the big launch event, while distribution ensures it's available everywhere on day one. But the real essence of modern marketing goes beyond transactions. It's about creating value and nurturing relationships. Starbucks rewards with free drinks and personalized offers shows how loyalty programs turn one purchase into a long term customer relationship. Definition of marketing. Let's get a bit more formal with the definition. This slide features two key definitions. Marketing is a comprehensive process that begins with understanding consumer needs and ends with their satisfaction. It is not just about selling or advertising, but is a central business philosophy focused on the customer. According to Philip Kotler, marketing is human activity directed at satisfying needs and wants through an exchange process. The American Marketing Association states marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. Let's get into explanation. Philip Kotler, the father of modern marketing, gives us a beautifully simple definition. Marketing is human activity directed at satisfying needs and wants through an exchange process. Think about it. Your need is communication, your want is the latest Samsung phone, and the exchange is money for that product. Marketing is the entire system that makes this exchange possible. The American Marketing Association expands this idea. They describe marketing as the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. Notice the phrase society at large. Modern marketing isn't only about profit, it's about responsibility. For example, Tom Shoes adds value to society by donating a pair to a child in need for every pair purchased. Nature of marketing. Point 1. Modern marketing is customer oriented and both futuristic and value driven. Point 2. It is operational, ongoing, and involves collaboration across many business units and external partners. Point 3. Marketing covers both profit and non profit organizations and involves mutual benefit for company and customer. Points 4. Marketing is an integrated process based on strategies and legal activities transferring ownership from producer to consumer. Let's get into explanation. This slide highlights the true nature of modern marketing. First, marketing today is customer oriented, futuristic, and value driven. Businesses don't just react, they anticipate. Take Netflix. They don't simply recommend based on yesterday's viewing, they invest billions predicting what you'll want next year. Second, marketing is operational, ongoing, and collaborative. It isn't a single department. When a new product launches, marketing works hand in hand with engineering, sales, and even customer support. It's a continuous team driven process. Third, marketing isn't confined to profit making firms. Nonprofits rely on it too. Consider the World Wildlife Funds adopt an animal campaigns. Through emotional storytelling, they inspire Do Nation's classic marketing in action. Finally, marketing is integrated and guided by strategy and law. It's not just flashy ads. It requires planning and compliance. Whether that's truth in advertising or data privacy regulations like GDPR, every step is part of a larger responsible strategy. Scope and objectives of marketing in business. Scope of marketing 1. Marketing research 2. Product planning and development 3. Pricing 4. Advertising and promotion 5. Distribution, physical and logistical 6. Branding, packaging, after sales service. Now let's talk about the scope of marketing along walk through these with some modern examples. 1. Marketing research involves detailed study of markets, consumer behavior and competition. Helps businesses in decision making, strategy formation and problem solving. Behind explanation, this is about understanding the customer and the market. Before Disney Plus launches in a new country, they do extensive research on what local content is popular and what price point the market can bear. 2. Product planning and development. Designing and developing products that match consumer needs and preferences, includes improvements, innovations, and modifications in existing products. Behind explanation, marketing provides crucial input for what products to create. The feedback from users on social media about a video game directly influences the features and fixes in the next update. That's marketing shaping product development 3 pricing, developing pricing policies to stay competitive in the market balances consumer affordability and business profitability. Behind explanation, this is more than just putting a price tag on an item, it's a strategy. Think about dynamic pricing used by Uber or airlines, where the price changes based on demand. That's a marketing pricing strategy in action. For advertising and promotion, creating awareness about products and services, building consumer interest, and encouraging purchase decisions. Behind explanation, this is what most people think of as marketing. It's about creating awareness. Today, this is less about TV ads and more about TikTok campaigns, influencer partnerships, and podcasts. 5. Distribution, ensuring products are available to consumers at the right place and time, involves transportation, warehousing, and logistics. Behind explanation, how does the product get to the customer? In the past, this was just about stores. Now it includes e commerce websites, delivery apps like DoorDash, and direct to consumer models where brands sell exclusively from their own website. 6. Branding, packaging, and after sales service. Branding builds recognition and trust. Packaging protects products and enhances appeal. After sales service ensures customer satisfaction and loyalty. Behind explanation, branding is the story and identity, the swoosh for Nike, the golden arches for McDonald's. Packaging is the first physical interaction a customer has with a product, like the minimalist and satisfying experience of unboxing a new Apple device. After sales service, like a warranty or a customer support line, is critical for loyalty. Objectives of marketing 1. Customer satisfaction 2. Profit 3. Maximization 4. Market expansion 5. Product development 6. Building relationships. What are the objectives of marketing? Let's spoke about it. 1. Customer satisfaction meeting and exceeding customer needs and expectations. Behind explanation, this is the foundation. If customers aren't happy, nothing else matters. Companies like Zappos built their entire brand on legendary customer service, offering free returns and 24/7 support, which leads to incredible loyalty. 2. Profit maximization, ensuring sustainable financial performance for the organization. Behind explanation, these ultimately lead to profit maximization. By satisfying customers, building relationships, and expanding their market, a business ensures its long term financial health and growth. Each objective feeds into the others, creating a powerful cycle for success. 3. Market expansion, increasing reach and influence by entering new markets or growing existing ones. Behind explanation, this means finding new customers. This could be geographical, like Starbucks opening stores in India, or demographical, like a video game company starting to market its games to an older audience. 4. Product development, innovating and improving offerings to provide greater value. Behind explanation, marketing helps identify gaps in the market, leading to new products. The rise of plant based foods is a direct result of marketing research identifying a growing consumer demand for vegetarian and vegan options. 5. Building relationships, creating and nurturing long term, trust based connections with customers. Behind explanation, as we've said, it's about more than one sale. Companies use CRM systems and personalized email marketing to nurture a long term connection with you.
I hope you found this breakdown helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. We love to hear from you. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, please like, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you all for your attention. You've been signing with Learning with Jai Hind Microlearning Programming.